How to change app icon and app name on Android. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Basically you cannot change apps icon or app name on Android manually, but you can use a third party application called X Icon Changer. You can easily get it on Play Store for free. I have already installed this, so simply open the application after you have installed it. Tap on continue. Then it will give you the list of all the apps that are present on your phone. Simply select the app you want to change the icon of, and from here you can change it like this. You can also use your pictures, and from this pencil icon you can now edit its name. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.